have to admit, I'm a hard-working person.
I say there's nowhere for somebody else to get in there and help you, is there?
There's not. Unless we tip that thing upside down going from the bottom, but it's still, I don't know if there's much room. I'm weak.
I'll tell you this much, I still wouldn't mess with you.
Goodness.
What's the hose clamp on there for?
As it holds everything together. Well, I think since I put that bolt and washers on the back, it would still hold it. Well, no, this part would still slide off. So once we get everything in there, then we got to take that hose clamp out, because if we don't, then our end play on the shaft won't matter.
Yeah.
Because it's already tight. So, let's see.
Don't pinch your finger.
Yeah. I don't know. We might end up tipping that thing up.
Tipping it up.
We gotta leave it like this. I can't turn that way.
Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking weak.
Well, we really ain't done nothing all winter. So.
I need this for my baby. But that thing is for your food.
Put my coveralls on. Get the cherry picker. Both of us. Let's just dip it apart. There we go. That wasn't bad. What? Oh my goodness.
Now don't drop it.
Yeah.
Can I go at your house?
You want to go to my house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I just go at your house?
Goodness.
You got a helper? I think they got one at the house.
There went Ethan's bus.
What's that clamp for?
Hold that piece on.
Do you take it off?
Yeah.
Oh.
We gotta put bolts in that side.
What?
You gotta put bolts in that side.
I don't remember.
Guess I gotta pull it up then.
You say you had it tore apart before I got here.
Well, we gotta know if we gotta put bolts on this side to check the end plate.
End plate.
Put it on the back side.
They look threaded in there.
Yeah, they're bolts, and I gotta figure out what bolts.
Yeah, say they're. Who knows where they're at either?
Yeah,
They're
they're in
strung.
the cart, I think.
Bolts everywhere.
That's good. Goodness.
She's heavy, but.
Okay.
Oh, so they go in here then.
Yeah. Yep. To get shim, because there's that notch in that quill that the gear rides on another gear on the lower shaft. Then there's another gear up here. That one we bent the bearing on.
Yeah.
It rides in the TA2. So you got to shim that one way or the other so it meshes up with them gears.
Ah, we'll get your fancy new toy. He has got all kinds of projects going. He's got the old Ranger in here, trying to get it running for an irrigating truck, working on this. Got a lot of crap to do. It is the 10th of March today, and it is nice outside. We might be getting sprayer out here pretty soon.
For them bolts, that is a question. It'd be about the same bolts as what we just was looking for up front.
It wouldn't be those 4 we put in, would it? There's only 4 on there.
Could be. Yep. Yeah, and that's not lined up, so we're gonna have to.
I'm gonna have to move it.
Yep, take it back out.
You gotta take it all the way back up?
No,
Oh.
just take out
Oy.
bolts.
So where are the bolts that go up there then?
Good question.
I'd almost say it's them if there wasn't 6 of them laying there.
There wasn't 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. I would say these go in the back there.
Who'd you have machine your clutch down?
CarQuest.
Oh, they do that? Huh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, they do it right there. I thought they'd have to send
Send
it
it
away,
out.
but they got a machine there.
Sweet.
$75.
Oh, that ain't bad.
No.
Versus how much for a new clutch?
Yeah.
Found anybody to fix old green yet?
On the truck?
Yeah.
Well, it's still down to the mechanics.
No, the 2-ton.
Oh.
Not the old Ford. We know that Ford is going to be at the mechanics for a while.
Yeah. No, we haven't looked to see who can do that yet.
Wonder if it'd be worth.
I think them bolts are longer
Oh yeah.
because it's got to go into that more.
So maybe we had it right then.
But we need to-
Say which way you gotta go.
it went a little bit too far. Whoops. I don't know. That's not a whole heck of a lot
Holding that in
on
there.
there. I'd like that a little bit longer.
So maybe we did have it right then.
think we did. Oh, there's two on there. Yeah, these go up here because it gets in there far enough to hold them.
It says it's gonna go long enough.
We're gonna have to mount this kind of down in there, I think, and then dang it. What is that? Oh, I'm gonna tighten that one down, I think. Jeez. Oh.
Yeah, the struggle bus is here.
Yeah. My damn heel. Jeez, this is about a menagerie. I wonder. Yeah, that's not fun. I'll get that kind of level. You'd think we'd be able to figure this out.
You would think, but
I wish it was. There we go. There we go. My goodness, let's tighten that up like that then. It's going to have to come up a little bit. Yep. Wait, that goes the other way to turn it on.
They don't give you much room to get in there.
Nope. Jeez, come on. Well, that's, of course, that's that one I can't get to now to tighten it down. Okay, now set it at 0, tighten down. Okay, 9/16. Because, yeah, there's a little bit of a variance right there. It's not even hitting it. So let's back that off now. See if it moves now. It's moving back the other way. So what the hell does that mean? We need shims. No. Alright, we gotta figure this out.
Yeah, why would it move back the other way?
I don't know. I might have to find a better stand. stand or a more level thing to put it in. Because there's just too much variance in it right now.
Well, we hit a little bit of an impasse. The little measuring device that he bought isn't cooperating. It's not working like it should, so he's gonna make sure nobody's coming. He is going to do some more research on it and figure out what we're doing wrong, but at least the TA is somewhat in there. But as you notice, I didn't film an intro to this one. Kind of forgot. We just kind of jumped in and started working on that thing, but it does feel good to be back down there. I haven't been down there. I haven't been to the shop in probably over a month or so. February got busy at work, working overtime, and then I got sick. So I was trying to stay away from everybody while I was dealing with that. Stupid colds, but anywho, hopefully we start getting back into the swing of everything. And it's the 10th of March today, and all the snow's melted. The ground's kind of starting to dry, but we had a pretty good storm last week. It put down quite a bit of rain, then it put down a couple inches of snow. They say we got another one coming in this week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I believe. So we'll see what that does, but he's kind of itching to get out on the wheat fields and start spreading fertilizer, so maybe he'll get the sprayer out tomorrow and we'll start switching the tires around, put the fat tires on so he don't sink as bad. But we'll see. Anywho, I'm going to go in and check on Ethan, see how he's doing, and work on some stuff here around the house. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.